Okay, in the last video I ended with this one, and I told you guys that there was something I wanted to show you, so I'd do it in the next video. Really, I lied. I just didn't think I could finish it in time. So, but anyways, okay, what do we got? What we have here is, we have pretty much the same thing we kind of ran into on that other problem in the middle. We got the dependent variable and the independent variable stuck together. Okay, so it'll call for some product rule action. So let's get some product rule going, and this is just going to be, well, this is going to be 1, but we're going to go, derivative of x is just 1, but we also need to, remind ourselves that there's an unknown here, so we'll just go ahead and do it right there. And furthermore, we're going to tack on, z right there, just like the product rule says. Okay, now z will go ahead and, well, that's just going to be 1. And then what do? We just tack on x. Okay. So see what I did there? So the second part of it, I just took the derivative of z, which partial with z is just 1, and then I tacked on the f part. Okay, the next part. Okay, we have y, is a constant, but we also have, what do we have? We have natural log of x. Okay, so in this case, y doesn't really just turn into 0 as much as it just, x, it's a coefficient. Okay, so, and like I said, this is the dependent variable, so I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative of it, but I'm just going to remind myself that there's more work to do. And then right here, I pretty much got the same thing. I need negative 2x, and I'm going to remind myself that there's stuff to do. The 4, yeah, that just goes to 0, so... Okay, so let's start the cleanup process. And actually, I want to evaluate this thing right there at that point, so... Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. What I probably want to do is I'm just going to move that x over, and at the same time I'm going to factor the partial x, partial z out. And that's going to leave me with and that's going to be equal to negative x. So partial, I'm not going to do the whole operation, because all we really have to do is just divide that thing out. So that's z plus y over x, am I on the page? Minus 2x. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Let's see if I can't just go ahead and evaluate this thing. It was it. So let's see here. X was equal to 1. Okay, so that's gonna be negative 1. Z is equal to negative 3 plus y over x. So that is y is right. Y is right here. So that is negative 1 over 1. That's just negative 1. Okay, minus 2x, and x is just 1. Okay, I get, let me not be too informal about it. So, all right, so what do we got here? We got negative 4 minus 2, so we got negative 6. So I guess it's 1/6. You might want to check my arithmetic though. So basically, yeah, that's what we did. So I went through here again, and just to review. I think some of the tricky parts arise, on these sections. So that's implicit differentiation, partial derivative style for you. Have a good day.